Amphibians certainly are weird and wild. Animals in the class Amphibia include frogs, toads, and salamanders. They are cold-blooded vertebrates who are often mistaken for reptiles. However, two main things make amphibians different. The first is that they change as they grow, going through what's called metamorphosis. In fact, the word amphibian means two lives. The other difference is their skin. Reptiles have dry scales, while amphibians have spongy, wet skin. Many even breathe through their skin. It's what makes them a good indicator of an ecosystem's health. Both reptiles and amphibians will shed their skin, but once it's off, amphibians practice dermatophagy. They actually eat their skin. They do get a lot of good nutrients from it, so nothing goes to waste. What a way to recycle! How's that for weird and wild?